Here goes Northern Indiana.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 15 nautical miles northwest of the St. Joseph Pireheads, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include St. Joseph. Now here is the